Baker, back again. Sorry I haven't been updating you. Just been swamped with a lot of things, and here I am again. Um, where do we go from here? Okay. Well, we hit the extension down there. I was looking for, as you know, I was looking for that 744, 745 area, and we hit it. And I said we should probably get a bit of a rally. And we got it. So what have we got here? Well, let's look at the pattern. We've got a W pattern. Okay. And it's indicative of market bottoms. Come up in a W pattern. Only problem here, we do have some pretty heavy resistance at the 897 to 917 area. Okay. We get above that, and then we've got major resistance at 1015. Okay. This is on the S&Ps, guys. 1015's it's a ways from here. Okay. Um, but never guess. Always, what do we always say in a room? Prepare, never predict. So this is what we have to look for. We got to prepare for resistance at 897 to 917. We have support at the 812. Okay, 812, and that comes in right about here. Let me just draw a little trend line to show you why I'm looking at that. Right about there. Okay, so a takeout of this area kind of puts this pattern into a downtrend, kind of heading back down towards the retest of this 750 area. So just be careful. We are in an uptrend. Okay, right now 812. Okay, must hold. I know we're getting some wild swings intraday and so forth and so on. The volatility is definitely still here. But nevertheless, just be careful. Just going to show you a little bit here. We do have little divergence here, but we haven't made higher highs. Okay, so it's just a little bit. It's a little lower. Looks like it wants to roll, but we'll see. Underneath, let's see it here. Underneath here on these two lows weren't too bad. Slight divergence here, but the price divergence was quite heavy. Okay, so a little bit of positive divergence there, whereas we made a much lower low and we didn't make that much of a lower low on our triple moving average. So this is where we're looking at for big picture: 812, 897. It's a huge range, guys, but we've been getting that intraday anyway. So just be on the lookout for those levels. Also, I wanted to do this video last night because I wanted to show you how important the intraday structure is. Just hold 1 second. I'm just going to change charts. Okay, guys, back again. As you know, this is our big picture chart. This is what kind of gives us all our information. I don't know how anybody trades without it, but everybody has their own style. But let's go over this day. This is not yesterday, but the day before. And I saved this picture because I've been meaning to do this video just to show you how important it is. Okay, these first hour lows. Okay, y'all see those? I'm just trying to point out because I know that YouTube makes horrible videos when they're repeated. Right to the tick, guys. Okay, I mean to the tick. Okay, unbelievable. So the market comes, it makes its move, as you guys know, 936, 942, 944 area, and then 950, and then 10 o'clock. Those are those areas in the morning where you got to watch, where the market's kind of pushing to the upside, pushing to the downside, trying to make its way to the path of least resistance. Okay, don't ever think they know what the market's going to do. They don't. Let price always let you know where the market goes. Okay, don't guess. Always get killed. Okay, so here it is. Market comes down, makes the first hour low, comes up, gets above the midpoint pivot, races up, comes back down, comes back up again, double tops here, comes back down again. Oh, what did this set up? Oh, let's see. And these have been all over the place, guys. All over the place. Just the way the market's working right now. Okay. Little bit of a head and shoulders, right? Okay. So we got a nice pattern to work with. Okay, you see that, guys? Inverted head and shoulders, boom, up. Okay, keep in mind, okay, since the morning, you made higher highs, higher lows, and you stayed in this channel right through here. Once you took this channel out, well, you came right back down, right to the tick, to the first hour low, came right back up. Okay, I'm just putting these highlights here because I don't know how this is, you're going to see this on YouTube here because I know the videos are small. Again, right to the midpoint of the day. Now this is a moving average of the midpoint of the day. So this goes right to the tick, pulls right back again. I know you guys will hopefully see this already. What do you have again? Okay. And yes, we did catch these in the room. Okay. Another inverted head and shoulders pattern. Okay. So here you go, back up again, came back down. All right. I don't have to tell you where you go back down to, right, guys? Okay. What's that? Midpoint pivot again, and then back up into the close. And this made also a little bit of a cup and handle pattern as well. But anyway, and the target here for the day was 848.13. That's the first hour target. And the high of the day was 850.75. So not bad work for the balance. Okay, we give it a little bit of an applause here. Also, okay, because I got a little bit of time here. I got a few minutes left. Let's just clean this up here a little bit. Okay. Just to show you how often these patterns are coming in lately. I don't know why. I don't ask why. I just follow them. Okay. But they're very, very, very common. I just don't know why. But we've been picking them off left and right. Okay. Just pardon me while I just clean up my chart here. And what do we have here again at the top? Okay. We have another. A little bit of a shoulder there. Another head and shoulders pattern at the top. Okay, guys. Anyway, just want to let you know that this is what you should be looking for. Okay, always look for a series, okay, of higher highs encompassed by areas to the left and the right of lower highs. That sets it up, okay? A lot of times this wants to come up, come down, come right back up in here. Sometimes it wants to retest the head. Sometimes it wants to retest the height, okay, of the left shoulder, okay? In the right of this left shoulder, okay, again, just because I think it's pretty cool, right to the tick. Again, this bar here matches this bar here. That was your turning point, and then down you go. Okay, so the market does, again, as much volatility as we have, the market is still making sense, believe it or not. It really is. Today's chart, it did the same thing, came back down, though it came back down to the 15-minute. Okay, this is your 15-minute range, and then ripped back up again. Didn't come back down to the first hour low, came back down to the 15-minute high, and then ripped back up again. So, and then again, did another cup and handle. So just watch these patterns, and again, just go over to my blog, sign up for the newsletter. We've been sending out a little bit more than just the levels lately. We've been sending out the areas that we're looking for. We've been sending out pictures of our setups, so you guys can look forward to those as well. We're starting to do a lot more with that nightly newsletter, so just please go sign up. It is free. And again, just drop me a line if you guys would like to come in and try out our room. If you like it, stay. If you don't, then bid us adieu. But I'm sure you'll definitely learn something. So stop on by and say hi, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.